Hi family, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Family of Peace TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to wherever you are watching me from. In today's recipe, guys, we are going to be preparing pancake cookies. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, share to all your social media platforms, and leave your comments on the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, what are you still waiting for? Keep supporting your girl, keep supporting your friend, and don't forget to turn on the icon bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So all my returning subscribers, both old and new, you guys are the best. See you all on my next video. I will be listing down the measurements and ingredients I use to prepare this delicious fluffy pancake in my description box. Bye bye.